Hi there. Today's video, we've got a Lexus NX300h and we're going to check the hybrid battery filters to see if they need cleaning, replacing, or what else is left over. We'll chuck them away, I guess. So let's have a look. And now, open the back doors. You've got these grills just there on the back seats. You can just see those. I'm going to take those off. Got one each side. Take them off and have a look and see if we can just vacuum them out. There you go. So the filters behind these grills. So first thing you got to do, we've got to make sure that the seats are right back as far as it goes. Then we have to lift up the seat. Let's try and do that then, shall we? Right, done one side. Now this and it's not blinking easy. That's it, done it. It's really tough. It feels like you're not supposed to be pulling it, but you do. So okay, that's the seat up. Now the next bit. Then you lift the handle up and then you put your screwdriver inside there, like this. I'll show you in a minute. Like that. And then you prise a little that tug up and you pull the handle off. Oh, there we go. Then pull off the scuff plate, like that. And then flick out these little clips. Just flick them up. There you go. Come on, up you go. There's one. The other one. And pull those out somewhere safe. One's gone on the floor. Then you should be able to pull this section out from the bottom. And there you go. Pull this out. Put it aside. And there we go. That's the intake now for the battery. From the cooling from the back to the battery. So that needs to be all hoovered out and wiped out. And then the filter is there. And that looks a bit dirty, not too bad. The car's done about 58,000 miles. It's not too bad, but it could do with a hoover, I think. So the same the other side. Just flick this up first, and that will pull out. Then you get your trusty tool, which is Stanley knife. Flick these little clips up. There's one. There's two. So you put them somewhere safe. Pull this side out as well. There you go. And then you'll see that's the filter on again. This one doesn't look so dirty actually. For some reason. Let's have a look at that. And then inside, you can see. I'll turn it right around. That's a little bit dusty. Not too bad. Right, there's a lot of muck around here actually. That's I've never been here. Somebody's never been in here before. That's all going to be hoovered out as well. Okay. Now I've tried hoovering out. And that doesn't do anything at all, even if I try it the other way round. Because the dust is below the grill level, nothing happens. So, I'm going to take them off. I'm going to wash them out in soapy water. Right, they're both washed out and nothing clean now, but they're soaking wet. So I'm going to leave them out here in the sun to dry. Now, important, I suppose, in fact, you can't buy filters for these because they're obviously part of the panel. So the only thing you can do is just hoover them, clean them, wash them. So what I'm going to do now is going to clean the inside of the car, clean these ducts, which are filthy, with some warm, well, some wet cloth, moist cloth rather. Get all that right inside. There you go. Oh, there's another bit of pad inside there. I wonder what that's for. I can't see. There's something there. What is that? I don't know. Bit of sponge behind that. Don't seem to do anything else there. Okay, that's all nice and clean. Let's go around the other side. Clean that as well. That's all done. So once it's all clean, just a matter of simply putting it all back together again, which is a bit easy, I think. Let's just fiddle about with that. There you go. Put the clips in. Number 1. Press it down. Number 2. On the back of there. That's it. Press that one down. Clicks in. That's done. Put this bit of trim back. Wrong way around, Jeff. There you go. Perfect. And then put the handle on. So that just clips back straight back on again. It's on there and that's it. Done. Oh, that's easy. Other side. Right, 2 clips. Here's number 1. Press it down. Same on the other side. Put it in. Press it down. That's it. Now the scuff panel, what it was called. That's it. That's it. Then the handle. Slides on. There you go. That's that done. Seat back down. Give it a big bang. Each side. It locks in. And there we go. We're finished. Look at that. That was easy, weren't it? Eh? 10 minutes. Done. Job done. Never done before. 58,000 miles. 2018 model. Cleaned. Thank you very much.